Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this weird core outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay guys, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I created this one. Okay guys, for the first one, you're going to select all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color, this dark brown color. And you can put on this hat and make it green. And you can put on this eye mask and select the on hat, and then you're going to color it with the green color and combine it with the black color. And put on this bandage. You're going to choose this toggle right cross, and then you're going to color it with the green color and put on this necklace. Make it this color, black and green. And put on this item and you're going to color it like this, green and black. And for this one, you're going to color it green and also black. Okay, and then the next one guys, I'm going to go to this area. I'm going to select this shirt and then I'm going to remove the pattern and I'm going to replace it with this pattern. Okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to select this stocking. And then I'm going to apply this strip pattern. And this one, I'm going to put on this item and make it this pattern. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this Valentine's update item. And I'm going to put on this skirt, but I'm going to choose the only ribbon. And then I'm going to make it this brown color. Okay, and I'm going to move to the changing room. It's here. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the curves item and I'm going to choose this bag and we're going to make it crossbody. And for the first selection, I'm going to make it this color, this one guys, and then I'm going to make it green color for the ribbon. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to this menu and select the skirt, and then I'm going to make it black color for the first selection, and for the next selection make it black, and then I'm going to make it green for the third until the fifth selection. Okay, like this guys. Alright, and then I'm going to go back to the curves item and I'm going to choose this leg warmer. And for the leg warmer, I'm going to apply this color and then I'm going to make it glitter. Alright, and I'm going to select the Myra heels, this one, and I'm going to select classic sock. Okay, then I'm going to apply this color and then make it glitter. Okay. Okay guys, and then I'm going to put on this doll and I'm going to select toggle 4 and we're going to make it this color and make it black color for the second selection. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this weird core outfit and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.